Hi everyone. So basically I will be just showing you an update with my current project, my current final year project. So if you've seen the past videos, pretty much I showed you the keypad working and the RFID working and then put them both together to display a message onto the LCD. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sending all the values from the RFID and the keypad to the Raspberry Pi right here, which will be sent to a web server. So at first what I did, I won't really show it, but at first what I did was that I sent all the values to the Raspberry Pi, which then was sent to the onboard MySQL, PHPMyAdmin running MySQL. But to make my life simple, what I did was I'm now running it on a web host online. So this way, rather than going onto the GUI of the graphic user interface of the Raspberry Pi and going online through there, what I'm going to do is now I could remotely check out my website and check out all the values and all the updates that are required. So basically I will show you how it starts off. So let's see. You get the message right here. And while I'm doing this, I have my Raspberry Pi already started up onto my screen right here. So basically, what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to run a Python script. So basically, the Python script that I'm running right here, because my 8515 over there, the microcontroller, is sending out serial values, the only way that the Raspberry Pi is able to communicate with it is through the serial port through using UART. So basically all the serial values that have been registered into the microcontroller from the RFID gets sent to this logic converter right here, because basically whatever is being outputted from the microcontroller is in 5 volts, and whatever the Raspberry Pi requires is 3 volts. So this logic converter right here converts the 5 volts to a 3.3 output, so that we don't fry the Raspberry Pi. So now what I did was I'm basically running a Python script which will take whatever the value is being entered into the RFID, and it's going to grab that, and through a various amount of scripts that I've written, it will output that into the MySQL database. So what I can do is I can show you the MySQL database that I have running. Let's see. So basically, I have something of that sort. I have a log called entries. I have something called logs, login, and names. So if we were to look at that, let's see. I have these 3 names right here. And so basically these are the 3 names with the cards that have been designated to it. And whenever the RFID reads them, it'll output the names that you see. So let's begin. So right here, I will just take one of the RFID cards, and I'm just going to run the Python script. So now it's actually running. I'm just going to scan the card. This is supposed to display Anthony. So if I can just log. There you go. It says welcome Anthony, and then it asks for the user code. And if you're to look right at the bottom, it shows whatever the value on this card is on it. And then after adding the passcodes from the previous videos that I've showed you, I'll validate it and I'll say it's valid. So if I go onto my actual website, which is chmod, you get to see that I have a website right here, a dedicated website. All I need to do is just add in the username. Then press enter. And then basically, you'll see right there that Anthony at this time had logged in. So if we were to keep this just like this, just for proof of concept, I will scan 2 more cards just so you could see that in real time there'll be an update. So right now I'm just going to scan the next card, which should say Sasha, and then enter the passcode. And then if we were to go right here and just press refresh, refresh, confirm, you get Sasha right there. So pretty much, I mean, I can just show you a third one, but I mean, you pretty much get the picture that after adding the 3 values, so you could see 1, 2, 3, and then pretty much these are the 3 values that will be located into my database. So pretty much the idea of this is that whenever someone is actually trying to access this security system, their names will be located into this web server, so that the admin can actually go on whenever they want and they can check it out and see who's been trying to get in and at what time, what date. So this is good for a let's say a form of records. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for now. I still have to update other things such as an invalid entry, and also I have to start up with the webcam. Hopefully, if I have time, I can get the webcam running, and also my SMS for my phone. So those will be the next goals on my to-do list. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Yeah, it's actually a really great project, and it takes a lot of time. That's why my updates are going to take quite some time to show you some other videos, but stay tuned for the next video. All right, see ya.